Welcome to Granada, Spain, home to one of the world's most enchanting architectural wonders, the Alhambra Palace. This historic complex, perched on a hill overlooking the city, is a testament to the artistic and cultural achievements of the Nasrid dynasty and remains a symbol of Spain's rich heritage. The Alhambra, which means Red Fortress in Arabic, was constructed in the mid-13th century by the Nasrid rulers, the last Muslim dynasty in Spain. Its name derives from the reddish hue of its walls, which are particularly striking at sunset. Originally built as a fortress, it evolved into a stunning royal palace, reflecting the opulence and grandeur of its era. At the heart of the Alhambra is the Nasrid Palaces, a masterpiece of Islamic architecture. These palaces are renowned for their intricate stucco work, colorful tile mosaics, and elegant courtyards. The design reflects a perfect blend of art, science, and nature, with every detail meticulously crafted to evoke a sense of tranquility and beauty. One of the most impressive rooms within the Nasrid Palaces is the Hall of the Ambassadors. This grand hall served as the throne room and is adorned with a spectacular domed ceiling, decorated with a mesmerizing pattern of stars. The hall's architecture exemplifies the sophistication and artistry of the Nasrid period. The Courtyard of the Lions is another iconic feature of the Alhambra Palace. Named after the 12 marble lions that support the central fountain, this courtyard is a stunning example of Nasrid design. The delicate arches, intricate carvings, and the soothing sound of flowing water create an atmosphere of serene elegance. Adjacent to the Alhambra Palace is the Generalife, the summer residence and gardens of the Nasrid rulers. This retreat was designed to offer respite from the heat of the city, with its beautifully landscaped gardens, reflecting pools, and serene ambiance. The Generalife's gardens are a harmonious blend of nature and design, offering breathtaking views of both the Alhambra and the city of Granada. The Alcazaba, the oldest part of the Alhambra complex, served as its military stronghold. With its imposing walls and defensive towers, the Alcazaba was crucial for protecting the Alhambra and its inhabitants. From the towers, visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding landscape and the city below. Stands as a testament to the artistic and architectural achievements of the Nasrid dynasty. Its intricate designs, lush gardens, and historical significance make it a timeless treasure, captivating visitors from around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Alhambra Palace. From its stunning architectural details to its rich historical legacy, the Alhambra continues to inspire and enchant. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more explorations of the world's most remarkable landmarks.